It's me, we're back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been far too long. The secret's out. I'm on the new season. I hope you guys liked the whole promo because I had a really beautiful glamour shot. Very proud of that. Pink bracket for life. Really good season of All Stars and really good promo look by yours truly. So keep watching. Do you love the backdrop? I painted it. The first step of coming up with an iconic promo look is to call up your iconic designer friend, Mondo Guerra, who, if you've been following along my journey, you'll know that we work together a lot and we love challenging ourselves to try new and interesting silhouettes. So make sure you go check out Mondo's Instagram account. Lovely. I'm gonna finish blending this out and you can just have the beautiful tapping sounds of my face. I wish I had a mirror. I'm team pink, you guys. So we're gonna try and be just kind of really pink. I think this is a dirty beauty blender. Actually, I'm doing this just because I have an itchy nose. So now I'm gonna take this cream bronzer and start putting in my little contour lines. I kind of go really intense over here. This is bright pink. Let's go over the girls in my bracket. April, carry on. What's great about April is that I learned that we live on the same street. So we've got Aura Mayari, who, if you guys didn't know, just finished up this major production called Here Lies Love, which I had the pleasure of seeing in person. She absolutely killed it. We've got Selena Estidis, another LA girly. We have Silky Nutmeg Ganache. So you know that we're gonna have good TV in our bracket. And then to wrap it all up with the perfect, most beautiful, unique ribbon in the world, Vivacious. Vivacious returns. I feel so excited to be on the same bracket as Vivacious because she's that club kid. I fell in love with drag because I wanted to bring like club kid culture to Missouri, and every time she would say anything I was like trying to download it into my entity. Now we look kind of crazy, but then we blend it out. We blend it out and that's where the magic happens. And we know that I'm really good at blending because we saw the close-up of me licking the lollipop in the promo picture and I look so good. Since I don't have eyebrows, I can really blend this out as much as I want. Let's just do a little bit of pink in the eye. I'm using this cream for everything. So whenever I was like planning this eye look, I did reach out to my friend Dipwad. Very intricate lines and work. That was like, hey, make me a possible face chart. What I loved about it was like the idea of the little bursts of stones, because I knew I wanted to put a lot of stones on my face. Let's try and beauty mug it because this is going to be the photo that follows me around for the next, who knows? Well, I guess it's All Stars, so like this is the last time ever. Now it's time for the lips. Like this, like. Oh, wow. You know what I mean? Now it is time to set all of our base. We're gonna dip into our powder, which is a concoction of many powders that I have. You want a little bit of a translucent, a little bit of a tan, a little bit of a pink. And whenever I start hitting my face, I kind of hit like the places that I feel like would get disrupted. So I'm trying to hit like the corners of my eyes. I want to keep those corners crisp. Gotta get up in there so my eye creases don't start getting really bad. So please let me know if you guys have questions. I'm sure I'm gonna be going over everything, but leave comments, subscribe, so that we can keep having fun together. I think all the excess is gone. Just to be sure. Also, can we take a moment to say congratulations to my sister Jan, who just got engaged. Please invite me to the wedding. I would love to come. I'm so happy for you. Love wins. All right, from here, now that we've got the base set, we just gotta deepen the base of what we laid down. So first, I'm gonna go in with my contour. This is the Vivien's palette Scepter Shattered Mirror. What I love about drag makeup is you can get so crazy and intense, but promo's more like pretty. They're gonna face tune it a little bit, you know, you don't have to go as extreme. So hopefully I can rein it in for today, but sometimes, you know, I can lose control. So I'm just taking like a little fluffy brush and just really trying to hollow in these cheeks. I like having a dark line right here that cuts off my ear. And buffing this out before we lay in on the pink. I'm even gonna just very carefully run it on my nose. I was so excited to be Team Pink. I went and got this color, Tokyo, from Sugar Pill, specifically to match my little dress. Oh yeah, now we look alive. Sexy avant-garde Teletubby, who is still very clearly a woman. Soften the blend here with what's left. Just very gently. So now I'm gonna take my Airspun Coty powder. This is mostly just to catch the fallout from all the pink eyeshadow we're about to put on. To keep the eye makeup really precise, ta-da! A tiny. Just so to go faster. Just go crazy under here. I'm like kind of just letting it lose control. Okay, so now blend, blend, blend. That is the key. Okay, I think this could be fun because I don't usually buy a lot of new makeup. I use it until it runs out. But specifically for promo, I was like, I gotta look good. Ellis Atlantis Blend Bunny palette. Had to have it, had to have it. Especially for this little guy right here. And I had never gotten anything from Blend Bunny before, but then I found the perfect thing I'd been needing in my life. Those are my new ones. And then of course, the Pixum Loose Powder Kimchi and Plastique collab. This is the Impeccable Setting Spray I got on set. Thanks, Anastasia. Final circle, dot in the face, lean into it. If you don't do it exactly, it's not gonna work. We're gonna go white first. I want my eyes to be shining here. Just a little bit here in the center. I'm gonna go in with the Plastique Tiara. We're gonna hit just very lightly right there. Do I look beautiful? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going in with the Blend Bunny, the one that had all the colors I liked. Throwing that under the eye. This is like the final just pretty dusting before we do all the detail work. Taking that same color here. These are the little details that matter. That Ellis Atlantis palette, I'm gonna just blend that here. Put it on the nose. And just like that, we're metallic. Now that we've done that, we're gonna go in with our Trixie Mattel gel liner. I'm just gonna try and get these lines reestablished. What I like about gel liners is, I mean, I'm doing all this precision work, and then if I had to set it again, like That's too much. So I love that it just kind of holds and stays super dark. I'm about to put black eyeshadow and this always stresses me out. I'm just packing on over the black. I'm using a lot of self-control right now, actually. More blending. Oh my gosh, it has helped so much. So my rhinestone pattern's like a starburst. Firework. Flames to attach. Just a little spirit gum tube. And this is a pick-me-up. Okay, I'm really hoping I can film this for you and it's not like annoying in a bad angle. I knew I wanted to do like colored lashes. And so on the day of the photo shoot, I had still these full strips of lashes and I literally just laid it on like right above where the eyeliner starts just to kind of, I feel like it gives that effect that the makeup's like blending out in 3D. I'm gonna just use Duo Lash Glue. Okay, here we go. So, like I said, I'm kind of just putting it right there because I wanted my black lash to still like have the ability to blink and be feminine. So I'm placing that like that so that they meet at like a point. This is like operating on a body. And we're now I'm just gonna take some black, chopping out the excess. Okay, now the final step for the top layer of the eye is the lash. So I want it to be really close to my inner corner. Now at this point we're working our way down, and before I put any more lashes on I need a little bit of sparkle in my inner corner, so I'm just gonna add this gel glitter, basically any kind of festival body glitter. Is it safe for your eyes? No. We live on the edge because we're going full throttle into this new season of RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 11 Tournament of Champions only on Paramount Plus. See you every Friday. I'm so excited. I never got to do viewing parties my season. Can we talk about that for a second? I'm scared. It's too glamorous. Okay, so this lash is kind of just a pink one sandwiched behind these adorable sugar pill baby doll lashes. Oh my god, sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. See, I love that they kind of like, it does cover just a hint of the stone, but you see me shine, pop star. That is so good. I want to make sure that I can ombre the lip as much as possible on an angled brush so we can get this sharp line of the corner of the mouth. Like darker, like kind of purple, it matches the pattern on my dress. And I'm kind of just gonna line the whole thing. Now, before I add my metallic color, I'm just gonna tap my Tokyo into the lids to kind of ombre it out a little. And with that set, now I'll take this shiny one and just kind of layer her on top. Ooh, la, la, la. Just a little doot. Ooh, do you see I did a kind of good job? And we're done. Let's put on the look. And just like that, you are ready to compete in All-Stars Tournament of Champions. Ooh. As you can see, my whole body is rhinestoned from head to toe. Is that sexy? Trey didn't like the sesh, but I came back ready for the runway. Make sure you watch me every week that I'm on. Root for me. Go tell whatever RuPaul that you're so glad to have his favorite Eldegard impersonator back on our TVs. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try and post looks of everything that I do on Drag Race. Maybe you'll do some behind the scenes clips. You'll be my +1. I love you so much. Mwah. That's it.